In this video, I'll walk you through how to manage your organization using TaskFlow HR. So to do that, you would have to go to the left side of your screen and click the admin link. So once you click admin, you'd see a list of tabs at the top of your screen, and then you can see right here we have organization. So from this tab, you can manage everything pertaining to your organization in TaskFlow HR. Once you click organization, this opens up a drop down for you. You can see we have here general information. You can also see locations and then structure. Now from general information, you can edit every information pertaining to your organization. You can edit from here. So you can see that once this opens up, there's an edit switch right here. Once you switch it on, or once you click this, you see that all the fields become editable, and then you can edit your organization. So from here, you see this is our current organization name. If I want to update this to, let's say, TaskFlow -test, then you would come to the down or bottom of the screen and you can click this save. So once you save this, it automatically saves this new organization with any other details you must have or you might have updated. So this is updated across the application. So when you click your user icon right here and you click about, you can see that when this opens up, it automatically updates everywhere. So you see the company name now is TaskFlow Test, right? So that is how to manage your general information pertaining to your organization. And then from here also you have locations. So once I click locations, I'm able to search for a location pertaining to my organization. I'm also able to add a new location. So from here I can click this add button, or otherwise if you have already added some locations, you can see them listed right here on this section. So let me go ahead and add an organization, so a location rather. So let's say I want to add Greater Accra as a location, and let me add a city here called Accra. Let me leave the other fields empty. I can select a country, so Greater Accra, Ghana, and then I can go ahead and save. So once I save this, you can see that it's updated and it's added straight away to the list here. So from this list of locations, I can click this pencil icon or this edit icon to update this location. So let's try that out. So once I click that update icon, it brings me back here with the forms pre-filled with the information of this location. So here I have Greater Accra and I have Accra, the country selected. So if I want to update this, let's say to Washington DC, then let's say make this street 1, and then we can make this United States right here. Alright, and then I go ahead and save this out. So the location then is also updated. You see the name has changed, the street, and then the country. So I can also delete this location if I wanted to. I can delete this, and then the location goes off. And then this field also, remember I mentioned that it's a search filter. So if you are searching for a particular location where you have a list of locations here, let's say with a lot of location listed out here, you might want to search them out by the name or the city, or select by the country if you want. So once you select the country and you search, see that it says no records found because currently we don't have any. The last thing I would like to show is the structure. So with the structure here, you can manage the structure of your organization. So once I click this edit switch, I'll be able to change my company's organization structure. So from here I can add a new structure like a department or a unit of my organization, and I can remove out as well. So currently you see we don't have any other departments or units within this organization. You can click this add button, which opens this modal. So from here you see add organization unit. So from here I can indicate the details I would want to add for this organization unit. If it's a production department, for instance, I can add that here. So let's try that out. So let's say I want to make this unit ID, let's say prod 101. Let's say this is production unit, and then I'll say this a quick brief description. This unit manages production related info. Okay, and then I can save this out. So once I save this, my new unit is added to the structure, which you can see displayed right here. Prod 101 is the ID, and then the name of the unit is production unit. I think I made a spelling mistake here. So from here you can see 3 icons on this production unit. You can see the delete icon, you can see the edit icon, you can see the plus icon, which means you can add another structure to this particular unit. So let's try that out. So let me go ahead and edit before I delete. I made a mistake here, so let me add a T and save this out. And then you see that this updated to production unit as it should be. So if I want to add another structure to this unit, production unit, I can do that here. I can add, let's say, internal. So this is the unit ID. I can make it int, and this can be anything. The unit ID can be anything. Int prod 101. So let me make this internal production unit. Okay, there we go. And I can make this description. This unit manages all internal production info. Okay, and then so you can see it says this unit will be added under prod 101 production unit. So if I save this out, I get the alert saying it's saved. And then once you see that there's a small icon that shows you on the left, once you click that out, you see that you see the production unit that we added right here, which is internal production unit. So you can go ahead, this can go as much as you want. You can add another structure here, or better still, you can go ahead and delete this structure. So I've deleted the internal production unit under production unit. And then let me try and add one last one to the our main organization. So let me add a manufacturing unit here, 101. Let me make this manufacturing unit, and then let me leave the description empty for now, and I save this out. You see that we have a new unit here which are on the same level under tax flow HR. So we have the production unit and then the manufacturing unit. So this is basically how you can manage organization, general information, location, structure in tax flow HR. Thank you very much.